Hello and welcome to the Introduction to Qvinci for Accountants. Qvinci for Accountants is a solution that provides a lot of value for accountants, saving them lots of time, lots of effort, and delivering highly scalable, repeatable outcomes. At the center of Qvinci for Accountants is our sync engine, and our sync tool will pull data from all forms of QuickBooks, Xero, and a handful of other solutions, and bring the data into a database at Amazon Web Services. Now, Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the same provider that hosts QuickBooks Online and Netflix. The data that we pull is highly secure. We don't take any Social Security numbers, client data, employee type data. We're just pulling reporting data, and we do that automatically every day, so you don't have to do anything. Now, from there, you have a portal, the Qvinci portal for the firm. Your staff members and you log in, and you can look at all of your clients' activities that are in there. You've got empirical data in there, you've got notes, status fields, you can put workflow elements in there, and collaborate across all of your clients from one easy-to-use portal. We also have an authoring tool, report authoring and document authoring, and what this allows you to do is create custom report templates that are standardized, that will work across all of your clients regardless of the chart of accounts, regardless of the periods or the number of locations. You can do such things as consolidation, peer benchmarking, custom KPIs, and you build these things one time and then you use them each and every month across all of your customers, saving you an enormous amount of time. We take it one step further. We have a packaging and publishing solution. And what this allows you to do is to assemble into a final product per your standards, not only your financial reports, but also cover pages, table of contents, introductory letters, all kinds of things. And all you have to do at the end of the month is simply click download a package for an individual company having these standardized reports in there. It will automatically update with the data for that client, delivering a huge amount of value to you with a lot of saved time. So what does Qvinci for Accountants do? Well, we're going to sync the data automatically out of your accounting files into the AWS server. Then we're going to allow you and your staff to collaborate across all your clients, leave each other notes, action items, workflow elements, and looking and being able to drill into reports straight from the portal, whether it's QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online. Drill straight into those reports. You don't have to go open QuickBooks and download something and drop it into Excel. We're going to give you straight access into underlying data. Additionally, we're going to allow you from that data to create custom reporting templates and KPIs that can be reused across all of your clients automatically. Then you'll style the reports, adding rows and columns. Again, if you're familiar with Excel, you're going to be right at home with Qvinci. Adding custom KPIs, things like you may want to add some if-then statements, or you may want to add in, for instance, a gross margin line that will always be blue with white text right below the gross profit line. This will allow you to create these standards that can be used and scaled. Then you can assemble all of these documents into a standard package that automatically updates at download time. So the value that's provided is that you're going to recover a lot of billable hours. You're going to save all the hours spent creating reports and publishing reports every month. And we have found that our accounting clients that are adopting this solution are spending at least an hour, and in some cases with a client that has more files, 4, 6, 8 hours a month. We're going to reduce that to minutes. You're going to eliminate redundant tasks, and we're going to deploy your staff to higher billable services. And that's the name of the game, is operational efficiencies. We're going to automate client reporting, creating cover pages, documents, and report templates. Style the reports exactly the way you want, same look and feel across all clients, with including custom formulas. And be able to publish those reports automatically for all clients from one template. You're going to optimize your firm efficiencies, as I said. Collect client financial data automatically. No logging into QuickBooks and downloading data. You can set up workflow tasks to coordinate your staff members in their own portal views and drill down to underlying reporting data straight from the portal. So currently, you're probably doing something along this line. You want to create reports for your clients, opening QuickBooks and exporting files per file. 5 minutes. You want to add some custom formulas, KPIs, and maybe another 20 minutes. If you need to style and add headers and footers and that sort of thing, probably another 30 minutes to get everything in the right format, because each one of these clients has got a different layout. And this is on a per file basis, a per client file basis. And then creating cover pages and table of contents and intros and assemble them into a PDF, another 10 minutes. We are being told by all of our accounting firm clients that they spend a minimum of 65 minutes a month per client file to cover this process. Here's what Qvinci does. We're going to do it in about 3 minutes. First, at one time at startup, you'll add all your staff to our portal. Then you will upload via Excel all the names of your clients into the portal. Third, you're going to link and sync your files. These are all one time at startup. Linking is about 3 clicks of a mouse and takes about 30 or 40 seconds to make the connection with the client file into Qvinci and get 3 years worth of data. You'll do that one time. Next, you're going to one time create your standard templates and reports, get everything in the format that you want, disclaimers, everything you want, just exactly the way you want. Then you'll style and customize reports, and you can get as wild with this as you want, or you can be very vanilla and just straight text. You can style this very similar to Excel. You'll do that one time, and this is where you're going to live. At the end of the month, you simply publish the reports. You click the package for, let's say you had a client named ABC Vacuum. You click the package, run that package for ABC Vacuum. The data is going to automatically be updated, and you have your reports. So you're going to go from 65 minutes down to about 3 minutes. And if you have a multi-unit entity, maybe a franchise that has 10 files, we're going to save you hours a month. So just as a brief overview, and then before we end the intro, think of the portal like this. All of your client data is being synced in, and you have a plurality of staff users that may be like this, it may not be, and you can all huddle around the portal looking at the data, sharing reports with each other, using the same templates back and forth. And accountants 1 may see clients 1 through 20, and accountant 2 sees clients 21 through 30, and bookkeeper, you can mix and match how you deploy your staff against the Qvinci ecosystem. And you also get the benefit of not sending financial data through an unsecure email system. Qvinci is going to provide a highly secure solution to send your data through. You'll have instant gratification of data across all your clients and have instant reporting template deliverables across all your clients using your standard is going to save you a phenomenal amount of time and a phenomenal amount of effort. So there are 2 versions of Qvinci. We have Qvinci Advisor, which is intended for firms that have up to 250 clients. And you still get the same styling and templating we just discussed, and you still get the portal access. If you're a larger enterprise and you have more than 250 files, or you need consolidation and side-by-side benchmarking, Qvinci Enterprise is going to be your solution. And they're both very, very powerful, but intended for firms of different sizes. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to look at our video today. Our contact points are on the screen. Email us at info@qvinci.com or go to our website, accountants.qvinci.com, or the telephone number you see. Thank you.